If I had discovered this walkie-talkie earlier, it would have been great. It has no distance limit for intercoms. It can reach up to 6,000 kilometers, so you don't have to worry about the call distance. It is compact, so it is very convenient to put it in the car or carry it with you. It has both single and group calls and can call the other party accurately. This can bring great convenience to work and daily life. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.